everybody. Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Wanted to share with everybody, we get asked all the time about, why are house prices not rebounding when inventories are so low. We are at, lows that we haven't seen in terms of inventory, since about 2006. We're sitting in 2012 as we speak right now. And matter of fact, end of August 2012. And inventories, are going back, nearly, 6-7 years ago. I mean, we're down about 2,000 to 3,000 on average houses less than we were just 2 years ago. And so folks are always asking us, well, why aren't prices rebounding enough or rebounding at all? And one of the biggest problems we're having is appraisers and underwriters, primarily the underwriters, won't let us sell houses for what people are willing to pay. We're seeing it a lot more. We're finding that, we'll get a house under contract, and then here comes the appraiser who's a little nervous about, getting a questionable appraisal to the bank because it's actually appraised for more than some other houses have in the area. And the problem is we are getting buyers all the time that are willing to pay more for homes, and we're just consistently getting knocked down. And part of the problem there is, that I have at least, is that appraisers turn in these appraisals, and if they're low, these mortgage underwriters go, oh, well, see, obviously it's 100% accurate because, it's low and we're going to take it at face value and that sort of thing. But what we're also seeing on the flip side is if they're too high, or in the minds of the underwriter who didn't think that it could be appraised at a certain price, starts to question it and says, no, I just don't think this is completely accurate, even though they 100% agree with the appraiser when he's low. But when he's remotely on the number or higher, they really dig deep to try to find out where he's made a mistake. And I think with that mentality and this overreaction to the market, we can't rebound off prices if they don't let the free market bring prices back. What somebody's willing to pay for a home should be very, very persuasive. I don't even know if the contract is that persuasive anymore. It used to be, and it needs to be a complete factor when they appraise a house. So just a little food for thought so that you kind of get an idea of what we're dealing with out here in the market. So moral of the story, underwriters and appraisers have got to do a better job of making sure that we can sell houses for what the fair market value is out there. And I primarily blame the banks and the lenders on this and their underwriters, because they're putting a very big burden on these appraisers to be very conservative in order to keep their jobs, essentially. So if you got questions, comments, or disagree with anything I've had to say, email me, collier@megaagents.com. Have an awesome day.